Secret 20 garden plants now illegal, what you can't grow anymore. 20 historically common or ornamental plants are now banned or restricted in many U.S. jurisdictions because of severe toxicity, invasive behavior, ecosystem damage, public health risks, or links to controlled substances. Many were once used for food, medicine, or landscaping but later proved dangerous or ecologically destructive. List of plants and primary reason for prohibition. Castor bean. Seeds contain ricin, highly toxic if ingested. Kudzu. Aggressively invasive, smothers native vegetation and infrastructure. Giant hogweed. Sap causes severe photochemical burns and scarring. Opium poppy. Source of opiates, cultivation restricted due to drug production risk. Japanese knotweed. Deep, spreading roots that damage structures and ecosystems. Water hyacinth. Rapid growth, clogs waterways and depletes oxygen. Cocoa, coca, plant, source material for cocaine, treated as evidence of drug manufacture. Purple loosestrife. Produces millions of seeds, destroys wetland habitat. Peyote cactus. Contains mescaline, cultivation illegal except for narrow religious exemptions. Giant salvinia. Fast-spreading aquatic fern that suffocates water bodies. Tree of heaven. Invasive tree that damages structures and hosts destructive pests. Autumn olive. Spreads widely, alters soil chemistry, outcompetes natives. Water spinach. Kung kong. Invasive in waterways. Fragments propagate new colonies. Cot. Leaves contain stimulant cathinone, classified as controlled substance. Multiflora rose. Forms impenetrable thickets, outcompetes native plants. Hydrilla. Submerged aquatic invasive that blocks waterways and harms fisheries. Betel nut palm. Regular use linked to oral cancers and public health concerns. Garlic mustard. Allelopathic invasive that suppresses native understory plants. Brazilian elodia. Aggressive aquatic invader that fills water bodies rapidly. Water chestnut. Forms dense mats, injures swimmers, and degrades aquatic habitat. Implications and guidance. These prohibitions reflect lessons about toxicity, invasive species risk, and unintended ecological damage. Some plants were initially promoted for erosion control, food, or ornamentation before their harms were understood. Regulations vary by state and locality. Possession, sale, or transport of several listed species can incur fines or legal penalties. Home gardeners should research local noxious weed lists, remove listed species responsibly, and substitute native or non-invasive alternatives to protect property and ecosystems.